to interrupt your season finale of Glee, but we have breaking news. Mitch?
There is a dangerous level of carbon monoxide outside. Some of you might know this as carbonous oxide, and it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, so you won't even know you're breathing it in. It's really toxic to humans and animals.
You might have impaired judgment, confusion, depression, hallucinations, fainting, seizures, or memory problems. If you have any of these symptoms, you need to seek help.
Alright, but real talk, guys. Carbon monoxide consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom, connected by a triple bond that consists of two covalent bonds as well as one dative covalent bond.
Natural sources of carbon monoxide include volcanoes, forest fires, and other forms of combustion. And the troposphere generates a majority of the carbon monoxide yearly. Some man-made fires are also a source. Sorry about that, I seem to have caught some of the symptoms. As I was saying, man-made fires are a way you guys have carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a temporary atmospheric pollutant in some urban areas, chiefly from from the exhaust of internal combustion engines, but also from incomplete combustion of various other fuels, including wood, coal, charcoal, oil, paraffin, propane, natural gas, and trash.
In closed environments, the concentration of carbon monoxide can easily raise to lethal levels. On average, like I was saying, on average, can't fucking do it. Sorry about that interruption. We had to escort Austin to the hospital. But like I was saying, on average, 170 people in the United States die every year from carbon monoxide produced by non-automotive consumer products. However, during a survey by the Florida Department of Health, every year more than 500 Americans die from accidental exposure to carbon monoxide, and thousands more across the U.S. that require emergency medical care for non-fatal carbon monoxide poisoning. For those of you wondering, when carbon monoxide gets too much into our atmosphere, it blocks greenhouse gases from escaping, causing the Earth to warm up more. But there are good uses for carbon monoxide too. They use it to purify nickel. It's used to package meat, such as beef, pork, and fish, to keep them looking fresh. And we're out.
This is Austin from the hospital. An industrial scale used for pure... You did?
Yeah.
Oh.